Event end overlap works the same as begin overlap. Only difference is that it will trigger when I exit an area of that overlap. I will just delete this here sphere because I don't need it anymore. So if you remember from our past video, when I overlap this trigger box, I can hear music playing, I can see sparks are spawned, and if I jump my height is increased, but nothing is happening when I exit it. With event end overlap, we can return everything to normal when we exit that area. So when I exit that area, I no longer want the music to be played, I want sparks to be destroyed, and I want my jump height to be normal. First, I have to select that trigger box from the level. With it selected, I can open my level blueprint. Inside, I can right-click. Add event for trigger box. Collision. Add on actor end overlap. So this node will trigger when I exit box from my level. To demonstrate, I can add print string node. And in string, I can type out. Now if I play. When I enter, I don't see out message in my left corner. But when I exit, I can see out message in the top left corner, meaning I successfully triggered on actor end overlap node. I will delete print string node. Now for me to disable sound when I exit, I need to right-click on return value of spawn sound at location node and promote it to variable. I can name it sound. For me to impact that sound, I need to make a reference for it. Now that I have a reference for it, I will drag it to the event graph and chose to get it. And from it, I can search for stop. And I can connect it to end overlap node. Now when I exit that area, music will stop. If you're wondering why I didn't use play sound 2D node to play that sound in the first place, that's because that node doesn't have a return value, so I'm not able to make a reference for that sound. So when I enter that trigger box, sound will be spawned, and that sound will be stored inside of sound variable. Then when I exit that trigger box, that sound will be stopped. So if I play, if I overlap trigger box, I can hear sound. If I exit, sound is gone. Now I will remove sparks. Again, same thing, I need to make a reference for sparks. On begin overlap, I'm just spawning them and that's it. I need to click on return value and promote it to variable. I can name them sparks. I will drag them to the graph. I will get them. And I will search for destroy actor. And connect it to stop node. So now when I enter that trigger box, sparks will be spawned and they will be stored inside of sparks variable. And when I exit, I'm destroying them. So if I play, when I enter, I see sparks are spawned. And when I exit, they are destroyed. If I jump, my jump height is increased. So let's also remove that. I will look for get player character. Character movement. Jump Z velocity. And I will choose to set it. I forgot what is default value. So I will open my character blueprint. Click on character movement. And look for jump Z velocity. I can see it's 700. So inside my level blueprint, I will change jump Z velocity to be 700. And connect set node to destroy actor node. Now if I play, when I overlap that box, sound is played, sparks are spawned, and if I jump, my jump height is increased. But with that jump, I exited that overlap, so I no longer hear sound, I don't see sparks. And if I jump, I'm back to normal jump height. So end overlap will trigger when character or an object exits. Overlap, it's pretty simple. Just remember that we needed to promote sparks and sound to variables so that we could impact them in some way. So after we spawned them, we promoted them to variables. So we put them inside of those variables, and because they are inside of them, we could manipulate them. We stopped sound from playing, and we destroyed sparks. And for character, We just set his jump Z velocity back to normal.